Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. I want to share with you what we got going on today. Matte Black 2016 Model X. And this one is here for a parking brake noise. I actually am starting to get a parking brake fault, and I want you to hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to aim the camera down and listen to this wheel. And you're going to notice it doesn't sound correct, or at least like a new one should. So that is not the way it should sound. It should not have that much freewheel going on with it. So let me show you what this part actually looks like. We have the new one here. And this is actually what a parking brake motor looks like. So we've already got the part here in stock, and you can see those little 3 gears in there, and that's actually what's pulling the parking brake, and that's how you keep the Tesla from rolling. So we're replacing this today, and if you need this done on your Tesla, this is very common on Model S and Model X ones, and we can do that here in our shop. So reach out to me, 615-802-5550. Check me out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com, or come see me in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Hope to talk to you soon, and you have a great day.